Hi everyone, this is Daphne here again with Math Mastery, and we'll solve another simultaneous equation, but this time a little bit different with substitution. So let's consider the equation 3x minus 8y equals negative 1. This is equation 1. And 5x plus 4y equals negative 6. Equation 2. Now again, like I said in the previous video, in this situation we can see x is not alone or y is not alone in any of the two equations, making it a little bit harder to do the substitution, but we are going to do it anyways because there are times when we are required to do that. So in this case, I can use either equation 1 or equation 2. And I am going to use equation 1 because I can see 3 is a lesser number. I want to deal with it dividing by a lesser number. So from equation 1, I can add 8y to both sides of the equation to get rid of y from the left side of the equation. So I have 3x minus 8y plus 8y equals negative 1 plus 8y. This implies 3x equals, this goes away, this 2 goes away, and so I will just fix it immediately, 8y minus 1. I hope that doesn't confuse you. This is just the same thing. This means x equals 8y minus 1 all over 3. I call this equation 3, and now I'm going to put 3 in 2. Mind you, you cannot take 3 and put in equation 1 to solve the equation because you have just used equation 1 to create equation 3. So each time you create equation 3, you have to go and substitute it in the opposite equation, not the equation you have used to create equation 3. That said, we are now putting 3 in equation 2. That means in the place of x, I'll put this entire value. So I have 5x, which is x is 8y minus 1 divided by 3, plus 4y equals negative 6. Now try to simplify this. For me to simplify this, I can see that if I multiply through by 3, I will do away with this denominator here. If I multiply by 3 throughout the equation, the 3 will cancel this 3 here. So I have 5 times 3 into 8y minus 1 all over 3 plus 4y times 3 equals negative 6 times 3. And this will give me 3 can cancel here, and I will have 5 times 8y minus 1 plus 12y equals negative 18. 40y minus 5 plus 12y equals negative 18. 40 plus 12 is 52y minus 5 equals negative 18. 52y minus 5y plus 5y minus 5 plus 5 equals negative 18 plus 5. 5y equals, this one goes away, so we have negative 13. Not 5, sorry, this is 52. I'm sorry, this is 52. So y is equal to negative 13 divided by 52. And we can see that 13 is a factor of 52. So I will have negative 1 on 4 because 52 divided by 13 is 4. So that's the value of y. This is equation 4. I can now go to equation 3 and put equation 4 in equation 3 to have the value of x. Let's remember that our equation 3 was x equals 8y, minus 1 all over 3. Now we have to put the value of y, that y equals negative 1/4. So I will say x will now become 8 times negative 1/4, minus 1 all over 3. As you can see, it doesn't matter how smart you are. If you are not careful with math, you can always make simple mistakes that will not help you, that will take you down the drain. So you have to be careful, which is why when you solve a math problem, you have to go back and look at it again to make sure that you didn't make the silly mistakes. So our x now becomes, this is negative 8. This will be negative 8 divided by 4 minus 1 all over 3, right? What is negative 8 divided by 4? That is negative 2 minus 1 all over 3. And this becomes negative 3 all over 3, which is negative 1. So we have solved the simultaneous equations, and our answer is negative 1, negative 1/2. That is what, no, negative 1/4. I'm sorry. That's what we have, because we had the value of y to be negative 1/4 in equation 4. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and God bless you as you keep working hard. Bye-bye.